क्लास 9 फिजिक्स यूनिफॉर्म मोशन। प्रीवियस क्लास में हम एक्सप्लेन किए थे डिस्टेंस, डिस्प्लेसमेंट एंड मोशन। आज हम नेक्स्ट पॉइंट को एक्सप्लेन करेंगे, यूनिफॉर्म मोशन। यूनिफॉर्म मोशन, डिफाइंड यूनिफॉर्म मोशन। जब भी हमें इसकी डिफिनीशन को राइट करना होता है तो हम इसकी डिफिनीशन को बार बार लर्न करते हैं, बट सबसे बेटर ये होता है कि हम उसको पहले समझ के लर्न करें तो काफ़ी इजीली लर्न होता है। जैसे यूनिफॉर्म मोशन, डिफाइंड यूनिफॉर्म मोशन बोलेंगे या कैसे इसको नोट करेंगे, ए बॉडी कवर इक्वल डिस्टेंस इन इक्वल इंटरवल ऑफ टाइम इज कॉल्ड ए यूनिफॉर्म मोशन। इक्वल इंटरवल ऑफ टाइम एंड इक्वल डिस्टेंस in equal interval of time. A body cover equal distance in equal interval of time is called a uniform motion. For example, a body cover in first second is equal to 4 meter. Then a body cover next second is equal to 8 meter. Similarly, after third second is equal to 12 meter. Just 16 meter, 20 meter. After fourth second, fifth second. I can observe a body cover in equal distance in equal interval of time. First second is equal to 4 meter. Next 1 second यानी second is equal to 8 meter. Next third second is equal to 12 meter. Next fourth second is equal to 16 meter. And the next fifth second is equal to 20 meter. So on. All distance are equal. 4, 8, 12. Next 4 meter. Next 4 meter. Next 4 meter. And next 4 meter. Time equal time. Time is first to second 1 second. Third second to third 1 second. And third to fourth 1 second. And fourth to fifth 1 second. Equal time and equal interval of time and equal distance covered a body is called a uniform motion. Distance time graph, graph of a uniform motion, नोट करेंगे distance time graph, of a uniform motion, distance time graph, a uniform motion is a straight line. A distance time graph, a uniform motion of a body is a straight line. Of a body is a straight line. So graph represent x-axis, this is your y-axis. A body cover equal distance in equal interval of time. Object OA. This is a straight line. Uniform motion is a distance time graph. A uniform motion body is a straight line. OA x-axis represent the horizontal line. It is vertical line. Represent x-axis is time in second. And horizontal line represent the distance. and O is a straight line. Straight line is a uniform motion. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट आपका होगा नॉन यूनिफॉर्म मोशन. नॉन यूनिफॉर्म मोशन, नॉन यूनिफॉर्म मोशन. नॉन यूनिफॉर्म मोशन, non-uniform motion. Non-uniform defined non-uniform motion. Same definition uniform motion. Non-uniform motion is few difference. Defined non-uniform motion. A body cover unequal distance in equal interval of time is called non-uniform motion. Uniform motion equal distance and equal interval of time, but non-uniform motion a body cover unequal distance in equal interval of time is called a non-uniform motion. Unequal distance, unequal distance in equal interval of time, equal interval of time is said to be a non-uniform motion. For example, a body cover in first second, a body cover distance in first second is equal to, let us 4 meter, and a body cover next second is equal to 7 centimeter. Then third second 11 centimeter, and fourth second is equal to 20 meter. Fifth second is equal to 35 centimeter, 35 meter. I can observe a body cover distance, a body cover in first second distance cover, a body cover distance cover in first second equal to 4 meter, next second is equal to 7 meter, and third second time period are equal, all equal interval of time, time is 1 second, 1 second, 1 second, 1 second, difference between time equal 1 second, but on equal distance. It is on equal distance. 4 3 7, 3 4 11, difference between 3 centimeter, meter and meter. 4 meter, 7 meter, 11 meter, 20 meter and 35 meter. Difference between distance between 3 meter, just 4 meter, just 9 meter and 15 meter on equal distance. It is called a non-uniform motion. Unequal distance in equal interval of time. Next definition का ऐसे भी बोल सकते हैं, a body cover equal distance in unequal interval of time is called said to be non-uniform motion. Distance time graph in non-uniform motion can represent a curved line. Distance time graph non-uniform motion distance time graph in non-uniform motion of a body is a curved line. Pointing, this is x-axis and y, a curved line. It is a non-uniform motion. Non-uniform motion. Horizontal line represent the time period. Time in second, and horizontal line represent the distance. time in second, distance, यूनिफॉर्म एंड नॉन यूनिफॉर्म। नेक्स्ट पॉइंट डिफाइन करेंगे हम स्पीड एंड वेलोसिटी। स्पीड, नेक्स्ट पॉइंट होगा आपका स्पीड एंड वेलोसिटी। स्पीड, नेक्स्ट पॉइंट स्पीड। प्रीवियस क्लास में स्केलर एंड वेक्टर क्वांटिटी को डिफाइन किया गया था। इट इज स्केलर क्वांटिटी एंड वेक्टर क्वांटिटी। स्पीड इज ए स्केलर क्वांटिटी बट वेलोसिटी इज ए वेक्टर क्वांटिटी। स्पीड इज ए स्केलर क्वांटिटी बट वेलोसिटी इज ए वेक्टर क्वांटिटी। सबसे पहले हम स्पीड को डिफाइन करेंगे और इसके फार्मूले को नोट करेंगे, क्योंकि हमें न्यूमेरिकल्स को सॉल्व करने में काफ़ी हेल्पफुल होगा। एंड फिजिक्स में जितने भी न्यूमेरिकल्स होंगे ऑल फार्मूला को हम लर्न करेंगे, उसके अकॉर्डिंग ऑल न्यूमेरिकल्स वैल्यू को सॉल्व करेंगे। तो सबसे पहले हम डिफाइन करेंगे स्पीड। स्पीड को जब भी हम, हमारा चैप्टर है मोशन में बार बार बात की जाएगी डिस्टेंस, डिस्प्लेसमेंट, वेलोसिटी, स्पीड, डिस्प्लेसमेंट, एनी पॉइंट्स। स्पीड इज ए स्केलर क्वांटिटी। डिफाइंड स्पीड, डिफिनीशन या और डिफाइंड स्पीड, ए बॉडी कवर डिस्टेंस पर यूनिट टाइम। ए बॉडी कवर distance per unit time is called a speed. For speed is a represent for small v and speed is a scalar quantity. A body cover distance per unit time. Formula speed is equal to distance covered per unit time. Distance covered per unit time is called velocity. Speed is equal to distance on time, or v is equal to distance, represent the distance is equal to s and time is equal to t. v is equal to s by t. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट होगा SI यूनिट ऑफ स्पीड। नेक्स्ट पॉइंट SI यूनिट ऑफ स्पीड, नोट करेंगे SI यूनिट ऑफ स्पीड। SI यूनिट ऑफ स्पीड, SI unit of speed is equal to meter per second. Unit of speed and unit of time. SI unit of speed and SI unit of time. Speed is distance. SI unit of distance and SI unit of time. Unit of distance is equal to meter per second or ms meter, ms inverse or meter per second. SI unit of speed equal to meter per second. Next, define velocity. Velocity represent the small v is arrow or vector quantity. Small v is a vector quantity. It is represent velocity. Define velocity. A body cover displacement per unit time is called velocity. A body cover displacement per unit time is called velocity. Formula for velocity, v arrow is equal to displacement s by p. Next point, SI unit. SI unit of velocity. SI unit of velocity is equal to meter per second or ms inverse. SI unit of speed and SI unit of velocity are same, meter per second, but definition are different. Speed, distance covered per unit time, and velocity or displacement covered per unit time is called velocity. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट कवर करेंगे हम एक्सेलरेशन. एक्सेलरेशन